Tell you what I'll do on that, man.
Does it have a tail?
I'm gonna let you hit that for $25, and that thing's valued at over $180 on the internet.
A wagon here, Jeep.
A lot of mud. Very muddy.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, how are you today?
Pretty good. Not a lot of toys, huh, kiddos?
Oh wow, that's a lot of wagons.
Huh.
Fixing stuff right here. Like some stuff I don't know what that's for.
Yeah.
I put this on.
It's mostly tools and stuff. Someone's been buying a bunch of pallets. Soaking wet electronics. Here's some Christmas stuff. But we need Thanksgiving stuff. Nah, I mean you can. I don't think they have any. I said feel free. You can say whatever you want to them.
Is there anything Thanksgiving stuff at a different yard sale?
They don't know what's at every yard sale.
You never been to one?
Well, I don't know if anything's going on right now.
You never leave our house till you over the yard sale. When we're finished with parks, we clean all yard sales. French stuff.
Yeah.
French stuff, Dad.
Nice.
The French table.
You smell. That's signed. Donna Fargo. How much are your records? 2 apiece? Hmm. What'd you say, Anna? Let me look at the DVDs real quick. I didn't look at those.
Guys, you missed this thing over here. Smash it? Gosh, it's so itchy.
There?
That was cashew.
It's also wet.
I was about to get those. I actually will.
I'll just take Donna. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
Bye-bye, good luck.
Bye.
Daddy,
Yes, Callie.
These mom won probably.
For Christmas ornaments, we have some of those. Come on. Charging for a wagon. I don't see I don't know, one might turn up. Let's look.
Yeah, that's what I was for a wagon. What's this place called?
It's a yard sale. Yeah, it's like a multi-family yard sale.
If you see my back is hot.
Motown. Cute. Go ask those ladies sitting in the chairs if they're selling a wagon. They're the ones selling everything. Yeah. I say, do you have a wagon? Cool.
Food appliances.
Some are good, some are not.
Daddy?
I don't know on that one. Yeah.
I thought Christmas fingers.
Depends on how much it is. Did you ask him? You too shy? Well, we'll see it. Let's go. We'll keep looking. Maybe there's one back here.
Girly, that's all.
So, Elijah, that's 18 brand new. A Nutri-Slicer?
Probably pretty new. But I mean,
Oh, here we go. No, this is their yard sale, not ours. This is cool.
I'm gonna get.
No, no.
Okay.
See, why don't you ask them if they have a wagon?
Do you have a wagon here?
Wagon, you riding?
Uh-huh.
You know?
Hold on. I'm trying to find one. Turn into the center of the road.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna put it on our like where the cars in the house, and then it's gonna go.
They like to pull each other on the bikes. Their friend has a wagon, and so now they're hunting for a wagon.
Mama, I can buy it.
I told them a yard sale is the best price, probably, if you can find one. Oh, looks like little berries everywhere, huh? And shedding. How much are these discs?
$2 a CD. That one, is that got more than one in it?
Yeah, well, it's a game. Yeah,
Oh, it's a game.
yeah.
Can we go to
Here is this.
the please, Daddy?
Yeah, I'll do it for $2. I don't know. Might as well. Callie, I don't know what you're talking about, dear. Here, I'll take that one for $2. Thank you.
No, we're
No, I can carry it. I got my backpack.
No, we're Anna asked someone for and one of them asked for a fist bump on that
This one,
place.
oh, that place.
Since they found the wagon.
No, so he said he'd look for it in the next couple weeks. He's not gonna find it today. He's on the hunt, but he's not gonna find it today.
He doesn't love strawberries. Besides Grandma. I don't like strawberries, but my brother and sister like.
She doesn't like strawberries. How do you not like strawberries?
Oh, you like strawberries. Ooh, lightsaber. Huh? Big one. Yay. Some waffle stuff. How do I know about?
Ooh. How much is this waffle maker? How much is this waffle maker?
I'm not working the show. So
Gotcha.
somebody else.
No, I understand.
I'm not sure who. I'm supposed to have my mask on.
It's alright. How much is this here?
$3.
Okay. And then 3 for that?
That's not mine, but that's what it says.
Okay.
It's got a price on it. So I felt sure that it was Cynthia's. Because I don't price anything.
She priced everything, huh?
She did. But you know.
Oops.
Oh, let the wind's not blowing.
Yeah. Alright, so here's 3 for you.
Thank you, dear. I put the, here, you take the 3 since you're going,
And
and I'll
then
put
probably
the
3
next
for
3.
Cynthia.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you. Kevin, what is that thing?
Oops.
That Xbox thing?
It's a camera. So you can like take your picture and do video chats and things like that.
Oh, okay.
So it's a camera for the Xbox. Thank you. Meat slicer.
Hello.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good, how are you? Simon Optics. That's cool. Look at that dog, Elijah.
Yes,
Callie, look.
that's not mine. What's your name?
Here.
Roger. How much do
Stuff's
you
very,
want for
very,
the...
very expensive. Everything's very expensive. No, like this, 30 bucks. That's cuckoo.
$10.
Cool stuff.
Dad, batteries.
Cool.
Wait a second. This look good?
That's cool.
I thought that was something else that would be like
look at this dog. Hey,
It's probably expensive.
this dog is so cute. I'm always petting them.
Do you have any wagons for sale?
What kind of wagon?
Like pull a wagon?
Oh, no, we sold it.
Oh, you had one.
Yeah, we sold it.
They had one. Oh man, we came on the wrong time. Was it? She said, was it ginormous?
Yeah, the one but that white.
Yeah, yeah. How much is this thing?
Hey! Call! How much for a set?
Aircraft carrier.
Fellowship.
Does your dog have a tail?
I'll tell you what I'll do on that, man.
Does your dog have a tail?
I'm gonna let you hit that for $25, and that thing's valued at over $180 on the internet.
Oh really?
Poor tail. Poor guy.
I just need it gone.
Daddy.
There were 13
Don't interrupt.
planes.
Don't
Somebody
interrupt.
stole 2 of them, so there's only 11
Seriously?
left.
Oh my gosh.
You put everything.
That's kind of
Oh,
like
yeah.
a collector's item, but I'm just tired of being stored out there.
What brand is it?
Don't know.
Don't know.
65, number 65.
Interesting.
Yeah, you can put it in here. Store it.
Very neat.
Well, make sure he's gonna buy it before you put that in.
Yeah, yeah. Don't put everything away yet. I don't know if I'm gonna buy
Put it
it.
in there that somebody mess up with.
Oh, so someone doesn't steal it. Yeah, that is
I
true.
think the value of that thing's like it's way over $100.
Wow. Hey Elijah. Look. What I'm pointing at on that table. Go hunt that table for a minute.
Dad, I saw the dogs. Oh wow. Like I explore this place.
Can you explore a little bit? Don't go far without me. You gotta ask how much it is.
It's the most I ever paid initially for a vehicle. I mean, that's just thousands on top of all the 2 years, but
How much?
7, I lowered it down to 5.
You teach you kid right.
Did you already pay for it?
Yeah.
It's alright. And the
Feels like
condition's
it.
good.
Yeah, but it's the same condition. Remember the first time I bought one of these?
Yeah.
And then you found one?
Yeah. There you go.
I've seen one.
Put your money in your pocket, honey, before you do stuff.
Yeah, don't lose your money. He loses it every time he has money. Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me on those yard sales. Not the best yard sales, but did get a couple of things. I think, if I'm remembering correctly, the main thing I got there was an Xbox One Connect sensor. That already sold. It sold like immediately after that sale. The sale's kind of old. I think it's probably 3 months ago that I was at those sales. It might have been November. But yeah, so we already sold the Xbox One Connect sensor. I sold that Star Wars PC game for like $8. And then my son picked up an onion maker. He sold those a couple of times, and I think he sold it for $25. It sold almost instantly too. I can't remember what he paid. He paid a lot for it compared to what we normally pay. We usually pay like $1 or $2 for those, but I think he paid like $5 at that one. Either way, he made a little profit. I made a little profit. It was a good time. I miss yard sales. I wish they'd start back up. Anyways, I've still got plenty more yard sale videos banked, so I'll keep the entertainment coming, but I want to get back out there and do some yard sailing. Just a reminder, I do have another channel, NC Flipper. I got an NC Flipper shirt on here. On that channel, it's where I actually tell you what sold on eBay, what it sold for, and if I can remember what I paid for it. So check out NC Flipper on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. Thanks, bye.